Hi there. John here from Romania. Today you are going to see another site where you can work very easy and make money so you can start your own business. At the end of the video I am going to show you how to make $100 in just a few minutes, so stay tuned to learn more. Welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel I am going to teach you how to make money online, active and passive. Trust me, passive money are the best. If you want to learn everyday way to make money, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget about the notification bell. This way I will notify you every day when I am posting new video just like this one. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button and comment down below. Here up in the right corner you see other methods to make money. So this is the site. Pay attention at what am I saying because it is a very easy way. Real-time feedback from real customers. Wherever you work, you have here a demo video that show you even more details about this work. Let me show you here what collaboration this site have, Capital One, Facebook, eBay and so on. Let's go where we have to do the work and see how easy it is. Top brands want to hear from you. Get paid to share your opinions and experiences, make things you care about better. You need to bring your email here and create an account. 3 simple steps. 1. It is sign up, 2. Take a test and 3. Get paid. I want to show you how important you are for the international world. Company like Ford, Adobe, Facebook want to pay you to tell them your opinion about one service or product. There are over 3 million tests taken, 1 million payment and 35,000 brand influenced by people like me and you. So what are you waiting for? Here up in the right corner you see other methods to make money. Here I am going to show you an honest opinion from a girl. I absolutely love user testing. I get to test new web and mobile sites and give my user experience, opinion, and recommendations to clients. The tests are very clear and the Chrome extension works great. If we scroll down we see the most frequently asked questions. Here up in the right corner you see other methods to make money. If you want to make $100 in a few minutes, just click the first link in the description. Tips. The most important thing it is to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Hit that like button and comment down below. This way you will be the first to know when I am posting new videos, and you help me grow my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best, John from Romania.